Have you ever felt broken? Like you don't have what it takes to fly high in life? What if I told you that sometimes the cracks in us are the very reason we rise higher than we ever imagined? Let me share the story of a little boy and his broken kite. In a small town, there was a boy named Jack who loved flying kites. He saved every coin he could to buy a bright red kite for the annual kite festival. On the big day, he ran to the field with excitement burning in his heart. The sky was alive with color. Huge kites danced proudly, soaring high, while Jack's kite was small and new. He held it tightly, whispering, "Today, you and I will touch the sky." But as soon as the wind caught it, a stronger kite smashed into his. The red paper tore, leaving a jagged hole right in the middle. Laughter echoed around him. "Your kite is broken. It'll never fly now," the other kids mocked. Jack's eyes filled with tears. His dream of flying high was over, or so he thought. He wanted to give up, but then he remembered his father's words. "Strength is not in perfection, my son. Strength is in how you rise after you fall." Jack looked at his broken kite and thought, "What if I try again?" He adjusted the strings, patched the hole with a small piece of paper, and ran once more. This time, something magical happened. The wind rushed through the hole, making the kite lighter, steadier, and faster. To everyone's surprise, the broken kite began to soar higher than all the perfect ones in the sky. The same kids who laughed now stood in silence, their mouths wide open. Jack shouted with joy, "Look! It's not broken, it's unstoppable!" His kite touched the clouds, and in that moment he realized something life-changing. The very flaw that others mocked became the reason his kite flew the highest. This story was filled with lessons. Which one landed right in your heart? I'll be reading every comment to see which parts connected with you the most.